All right, now we're looking at a Kamado Joe, which are the most popular of the main brand Kamados on the Australian market. Kamado Joes come very well featured, starting with airlift hinges, so you're not lifting a huge heavy weight. What's also nice is they come standard with the end tables, which fold down to save space. The control vent on top is very well designed to give you quite accurate control on your temperatures. The Kamado Joe we're looking at is the Big Joe 3, which comes standard with the slow roller, which is that thing there, which is great for when you're doing your low and slow cooking. Kamado Joes come with everything that you need to get you cooking, and we even throw in a bag of charcoal for you. Kamado Joes come in two main styles. There's the Kamado Joe 3, which is this one with the flash trolley and a few extra bits and bobs. But more popular is actually the Kamado Joe 2, a little bit more standard with the trolley, does all the things that you want a barbecue to do. So if you want to buy yourself a great Kamado, come and see us here at Hot Things in Balcatta. We're your best mates in the Kamado industry.